This is a game where we'll be playing agents, but what's most important for this game is make sure you're using the right masking tape, because if you use normal tape or masking tape that isn't specifically for peeling back off, it will take all the paint off your walls. So the idea is, you can guess, is you've got to get through this course without pulling any of the tape off. If you touch the tape, that's okay, it can wobble, but if the tape pulls off, then that's it, that's your go over, your life done. Go on then, buddy. Ooh. You're pretty fast, to be fair. Like Spider-Man. Oh, whoa, what was that? What did we hear? Any breakages, Eve? Anything? Rest coming to check. Any breakages?
I can't see.
No? Okay, I can't see any my way. Carry on then, carry on. Getting hard now. It's that butt in the air. Oh. He's got himself also got. Yes! He's only got to made it. Well done, mate. That's wrong, isn't it? So, Ethan, we've just seen your brother do it. What are you thinking? How are you going to get through this?
I think to go to the biggest gaps and try the hardest to get through.
Alright, mate, go on then. Oh. Boom, 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 boom. Hello. Watch behind you, make sure that last leg doesn't take it out. Oh. Oh. Yeah, what we want, buddy?
What's your tactics for the game?
Well, I'm hoping because I'm taller, I can step over quite a bit of the bits you have to go underneath, because I'm a little bit rounder as well, so there's a good chance I'm going to get caught in this. But we'll give it a go. See what happens.
You're stuck, aren't you?
Oh my, it's too big. Come on.
Yeah!
Oh,
You finally made it.
done it! Yes.